You are very discriminatory. You saw his Jamaican passport.
Hey guys, I'm your host Larry, and there's this video of Jamaicans, our fellow Jamaican brothers and sisters, being discriminated in a hotel. I thought this issue of racism should I mean, look at the year we're in. It should be off. You don't just discriminate somebody because of their native or rather their color. So guys, let's look at this video. But first thing first, if you haven't yet to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, a share and a comment. Your support is highly appreciated. Now let's have a look at this video.
Stay here, sir. Is that what you're saying? You know, I'd really appreciate if you would answer me.
I'm telling you again and again. The lady just came. He asked me, do you have room? I said, I don't have room. The minute that you guys took time, 5 reservations came out of my system.
No. Let's not deflect.
Whatever you want to do.
Excuse me?
I don't have any room.
Sir, are you going to allow me? You should call the police so I can let them know how discriminatory you are. You are very discriminatory. You saw his Jamaican passport? This is unbelievable. You saw that we had a Jamaican passport, and the moment you saw the Jamaican passport, you said you have no rooms, and you also said that no smoking. Wow.
Yes, I have a lady. She's coming. She's the belonging. She's young like crazy. I don't have any room to sell.
I'm telling the police that me I yell like crazy. We're at the Knights Inn in Nashville, Tennessee, off Spring Street.
Yes. Thank you, officer. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. Please.
And what are we going to tell the police now?
Whatever you want.
That I harassed you?
I just reported.
What exactly are you going to tell the cops?
I just reported, so he gonna take you out. That's what all it is. Because I don't have rooms.
So because you don't have any rooms, you're going to call the police on me because you don't have any rooms?
You threatened me. You're doing like this. That's what you do right now.
I threatened you.
I'm telling you as a...
This is unbelievable. You know, never have I ever witnessed this in my lifetime, sir.
My system is closed.
Wow.
Yeah, because he saw the passport, you were like, oh, there's no smoking.
That's where it started.
That's where it started.
So because I'm Jamaican, it's synonymous with smoking.
Right.
I deliberately sat and watched you check this person in. This group of Caucasians, and you did not say to them no smoking.
All right.
You never said that to them.
How are we going to say that?
Excuse me?
What are we going to say that to the kids?
Why would you say to them no smoking?
Yeah, so how are we going to say to the kids?
So why did you say to us no smoking? Because you saw the Jamaican passport.
It's not about Jamaica. You know where I'm from?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
What happened?
Well, your predecessor was quite disrespectful.
Okay.
Yes, the gentleman that was standing here just before you came out. I'm sorry. Hello?
Hi, we got a 911 call from this number. Is everything okay?
For the most part, Shani said that he's gonna call the police because I'm harassing him. So I wanted to make my report as well, so we can have 2 records on file for this incident, in the event that he had actually called the police.
Are you at 99 Spring Street at Knights Inn?
Yes. So I was actually waiting for the police to get here so we can possibly get to a resolution.
And don't see any other calls at that location.
Of course not. Unbelievable. This is Sir, have you gotten a better understanding of what is happening now?
Yeah, that's what we are.
And what?
He told me I don't have any room to give to her.
Sir, I have everything on record. So you can lie to them all you desire. That's not what transpired.
I just did my job. 4 people came.
You just did your job
4 people.
by looking at my passport and telling me instantly, no smoking.
4 people came.
You did not say that to the white people that came here, the Caucasian families. You never said to them, no smoking. Everything was fine until he saw our passport, and that is what is making me upset. And when he saw how hurt I was and how serious I was, he actually came out and said that the reason for his behavior is because he's having a bad day. Well, if you having a bad day is going to affect you providing quality customer care, this is not the line of work for you.
4 guests came on the lobby, and I told them I don't have rooms. And you guys tell me you have rooms. That's what I don't have rooms.
Listen,
And you're recording us.
listen, you're not.
The reason for my recording is to stand as proof of what you are doing and how you're being discriminatory against us. You also lied and said you had called the authority. I just called the police. They said there's no record of you reaching out to them. Why do you think that you telling me that you have called the police would have done anything differently tonight? You thought I was going to run through the door because you called the cops? I'm not illegal. I'm not partaking in illegal activities in this country. You are grossly disrespectful.
Welcome back, guys. So we can see clearly from this video that this guy, or rather the receptionist, denied this couple, which is of Jamaican native, denied them a room just because of seeing the passport. And then like they are from Jamaica, and looking at their skin and like, whoa, you can hear clearly that he told them like no smoking. I mean, what's wrong with people with this thing of Jamaicans smoke a lot? I mean, why? Why is it that when somebody hears of somebody's from Jamaica, they think that this person smokes a lot? Why? So guys, that was wrong. Being discriminated for your color and for your country, that was wrong. We could see that, like the Caucasian family, they came later. They were given the room. No questions, not being told that no smoking. And I believe for such a hotel, or rather for all hotels, restaurants, on their booking sites, you have that notice that no smoking, and I'm sure that everybody is aware of that. So why need you to remind me that no smoking just because you've seen my passport that I'm from Jamaica? Why? My brothers and sisters, I don't think having a different skin color makes us different. You being white and me being black doesn't make us different. We one are the same. So why would you discriminate? Just because of my skin color? Just because I'm from Africa and you from Europe and all? Why? Well, I call upon the manager of that restaurant, for that receptionist should really get a punishment that he deserves for such discrimination on the customers. His work was to serve everybody with the equal rights. You know, they always say that we didn't choose from which race we're supposed to be born from, or we're supposed to, like, nobody chose that. And you here discriminating me because of my country, because of my native, because of my skin color. That's wrong. That's totally wrong. Anyway, guys, let's stand up and speak up against our rights. Let's report such incidences of discrimination and racism. Let's keep on making a step, or rather taking a step forward towards such actions. And I believe by doing that, we'll be creating a safe environment, or other country, or other world for our children. I'm your host, Larry. Peace out.